sound dampening. How do you stop the echo sound in your videos? Here's what I've done to reduce the echo so far. I have a carpet on the floor, which I put down first, and then I put my chair and my table on top of that. And behind the camera, I have a big frame. I have a large frame which holds a towel and a black piece of fabric, which hopefully reduces the echo a bit more. If you don't have a large frame like that, then just putting a towel on the back of your chair and putting that right up against your phone will still improve the sound quality. Another thing you can do is to surround the back of your phone with pillows pointing at different angles like this. So then that should absorb most of the echo that's going on. Another trick, if you're recording videos where you're not on the camera and you'll be talking over other footage, then you can stand in something like a wardrobe, and all of the clothes in that wardrobe absorb the sound really nicely and cuts out most of the echo, giving you a really nice high quality sound, even if you don't have a high quality microphone. Here I am recording some audio in my wardrobe. Right now, the audio you can hear is coming from this phone here, and you might notice that the sound changes as I turn my face towards it and as I turn so as I'm completely facing the clothes, which in theory removes even more of the echo. But as long as you're teaching something useful that the audience can benefit from, it's okay if the audio isn't completely up to scratch, as long as you don't have any massive trucks going right past where you're filming. So if possible, record your audio in your wardrobe.